Welcome to our Mastering AI Voice Lesson 1, Guidelines and Compliance. Let's discuss where you cannot use AI voice. Now, one of the things that you may know about YouTube is that you now have to disclose whether or not you're using AI when generating your video. The good thing is that there's a particular aspect of AI that you've got to make sure that you are disclosing. YouTube have clarified this because people are using AI voice and AI avatars for some of their video content. In terms of faceless channels, at this point in time, I'm not aware that YouTube will throttle those types of channels. But as of right now, it looks as if it's certainly not against their terms of service. Reading through all the terms and also reading other articles, it's clear that YouTube want you to disclose AI if you are impersonating someone else. In essence, if you are creating videos to make it look like an impersonation of someone else or something else, then they will almost certainly impose a "this was artificially created" badge on your content. YouTube have made it clear when it comes to creation of altered content. And what that means to you is that if you want to use 11 labs in your videos creation, you can use 11 labs in your videos. If one of your tools is Pictory, which already has 11 labs integrated, you can certainly use this to create content. In fact, YouTube are encouraging the use of generation tools. So that's a statement from YouTube as of the recording of this session. Again, it says creators must disclose content. That basically, if you're creating some kind of deep fake, and let's say you're going to have Tom Cruise talking about your services or products, this would be in violation of YouTube's AI policy. And if you're altering footage of a real event or place, this is also a violation of YouTube's AI policy, which is not what we're discussing here in terms of AI voice audio. Again, if you are or about to create audio with 11 labs and adding it to your video, this policy is not going to prevent you from doing so. What YouTube are not too keen on is an altered or synthetic content creation. And you can see here, there's nothing here that says that you can't create your script through 11 labs. Again, that's as of right now. So, it says using effects to enhance previously recorded audio that does not require disclosure. So you don't have to disclose that either. What you do have to disclose is if you're simulating audio to make it sound as if a medical professional gave advice when the medical professional did not actually give that advice. So there's nothing here that would indicate that you're going to have to disclose about using 11 labs for your videos. So keep that in mind as you move forward on your video and audio creation. It's important that you keep an eye on the YouTube policy. You want to make sure you understand the policy so that if you're going to be creating using AI tools on a regular basis and you're going to build your channel around audio, or even if you're using the 11 labs inside of Pictory.ai, you've got to keep track of this policy as YouTube states. And again, they're giving you quite a few examples so that you know exactly what it is you're going to have to do in order to disclose. Use your favorite search engine and search for the AI policy for YouTube. You'll be able to find the list, but you do want to make sure you understand this. And if you look at the end of this list, it says that this list is not exhaustive. So once again, it's still not quite as specific as maybe you might need it to be, but it does give us some pretty good idea if you're going to be using AI for your videos. In the next lesson, we will explore leveraging AI voice for business growth in more detail. Thanks for watching. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.